Did you know the MB ASCP practice exam isn't scored by percentage? Most test takers miss this huge fact. Plus, you're actually facing computer adaptive testing, where the next question gets tougher if you're right. I'll break that down for you in just a minute. Today, you'll discover exactly how to use MB ASCP practice exam tools to truly master the real thing. We'll bust common MB ASCP exam myths, show you what practice exams actually cover, and reveal how to target your prep for real boost. This channel is built for lab pros chasing ASCP credentials. We go deep on what you actually need to know to pass, no fluff. First, let's clarify what the MB ASCP practice exam preps you for. The official MB ASCP is 100 questions, all multiple choice, in 2 hours and 30 minutes. The real exam uses computer adaptive testing. That means each question changes based on how you answer the last. So your practice needs to focus on strategy, not just memorization. Second, not all practice exams are equal. True MB ASCP practice exam sets will mirror the content outline from the official ASCP guidelines and reading list. Make sure your practice questions are mapped to those topics. Don't fall for outdated practice exams or question dumps. Third, don't stress percentage scores. The real MB ASCP exam has no set score to pass. It's about surpassing a pass threshold system. That's why you must target your weak spots, not just count correct answers. Thousands have passed using our expert-led MB ASCP practice exam resources, live classes, video lessons, guides, and QBanks at dash.mlsiacademy.com. Here's the recap. MB ASCP practice exam prep should match the real test style, cover the current ASCP outline, and focus on critical thinking. Next, we'll cover MB Ask practice exam free, so subscribe or check our channel for that.